Hello, my shining stars. Welcome to our English class. Today, we will do the revision of question answers of lesson number 6 and 7. Students, first of all, read the question carefully and understand its meaning. After that, you have to learn the answer. First question is, who were walking in a line? Students, ants were walking in the line. Here you have to tell the name of those ants who were walking in a line. So name of the ants are Toot, Foot, Chit and Pit were walking in a line. In place of who, we have written the names of ants. Toot, Foot, Chit and Pit. Again, were walking in a line. T-U-T, Toot, P-H-U-T, Foot, C-H-I-T, Chit and P-I-T, Pit. Now, the next question, question number 2. Who was watching them? Here you have to tell the name of the girl who was watching them. Yes, Maria. M-A-R-I-A. Maria was watching them. In place of who, we have written the name of the girl. And the name of the girl is Maria. M-A-R-I-A was watching them. Read the next question. What did Maria do to stop the ants? When the ants were moving in a line, then what did Maria do? Yes, the answer is Maria put her hand before the first ant to stop the ants. Yes, Maria put her hand in front of the first ant. If the first ant stops, other will also stop. Yes, read the answer again. Maria put her hand before the first ant to stop the ants. Maria put her hand before the first ant to stop the ants. Now, the next question. What did Maria give Toot? Yes, what did Maria give Toot? When there is did is given in the question, then we will change this action word. The past form of this action word will be used. So, we will write the answer like this. Maria gave. In place of gave, we will write gave because of did. Maria gave Toot some sugar. Maria gave Toot some sugar. Now, the next question. What did Rohan and Anu want? Yes, Rohan and Anu wanted a pet. So, we will write like this. In place of want, we will write wanted as did is given here. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Now, the next question. Where did they go? Now, you have to tell where did Rohan and Anu go to buy the pet. And the answer is they In place of go, we have used went here because of did. Went is the past form of go. They went to the pet shop in the market. Yes, for buying a pet, we have to go to the pet shop, and the pet shop is in the market. They went to the pet shop in the market. Now, the next question. Question number 7. What did Granny tell the shopkeeper? Students, birds like to fly in the sky, but the shopkeeper has kept the birds in the cages. So, Granny told the shopkeeper that he must not keep birds in cages. It means we don't have to keep the birds in the cages. They want or like to fly in the sky. In place of tell, we have used told here because of this did. Tell, told. Granny told the shopkeeper that he must not keep birds in cages. Now, the next question, question number 8. What did the shopkeeper tell Granny? When Granny told the shopkeeper not to keep the birds in the cages, then what was the reply of shopkeeper? Yes, the shopkeeper told Granny that he would never sell birds again. It means the shopkeeper realized his mistake and he told Granny that he would never sell birds again. Read the answer again. The shopkeeper told Granny that he would never sell birds again. In place of tell, we have used told here because of this did. Students, you have to learn these question answers. Thank you.